In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently prepare and file 1099s using QuickBooks Online. Getting this process right is crucial because it ensures that your business stays compliant with IRS requirements. So let's walk through this step by step to make sure you're fully prepared. First things first, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open up Chrome, which is the recommended browser for this, and navigate to https://qbo.intuit.com. Once the page loads, simply enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to prepare for your 1099s. Head over to the Expenses tab located on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. From there, you'll want to click on Vendors. This is where you'll check that all your vendors who require 1099s have their information correctly entered. This means you should double check that each vendor has a valid tax ID or social security number and a current address. Additionally, ensure that all transactions are categorized in accounts marked for 1099 reporting. This step is vital because any small mistake could lead to compliance issues later on. Next, let's move on to accessing the 1099 wizard. To do this, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Under the Tools section, you'll see an option labeled Prepare 1099s. Select that option. Then click Get Started to open the 1099 Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the next steps. In this part of the process, QuickBooks will display accounts eligible for 1099 reporting. Here, you'll need to map your expense accounts, such as contractor payments, to the appropriate box numbers on the 1099 form. It's important to take your time with this step to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, click Next to continue. Now comes the vendor review stage. QuickBooks will show you a list of vendors that it detects as eligible for 1099s. This is your chance to double check and verify that all vendor information is correct. Once you're confident that everything is in line, click Next again. At this point, you're ready to file and print your 1099s. If you prefer to handle the printing yourself, choose the option labeled Print and Mail Myself. You'll need to select your printer and the type of paper, which is usually pre-printed 1099 forms. Then click Print 1099s. It's a good practice to save a digital copy at this stage for your records. Finally, after you've printed your forms, you have two options for submission. You can either submit your forms to the IRS by mail or opt for the convenience of e-filing directly through QuickBooks, provided you're using their 1099 e-file service. Whichever method you choose, you'll now be all set, and your 1099s will be properly filed. And there you have it, a complete guide to preparing and filing 1099s using QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your filing.